Early yesterday morning, many frequent users of government's official website www.gov.nu were surprised to see that the site has been hijacked and bombarded by a hacker supposedly from China. What seems to be a devious act has hampered operations in keeping the public informed of government's IT specialists. ISO have been busy trying to sort the problem. However, it brings forth questions as to how safe information is online, especially if a government web page can be tampered with. ISO says that the web page is hosted by an offshore company located in Christchurch, New Zealand, named Safi Technologies Limited. Niue merely maintains the site by posting and updating information on the web page. It remains unclear whether it was the host site or system that has been hacked into or the maintenance site on the island, but whatever the story is, users are hoping that the problem is rectified and the site restored as soon as possible.